Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid, and in today's video I'm going to guide you through how to forward a message from Messenger to WhatsApp. So first of all, launch Messenger app on your mobile devices. Now from here open any conversation you wish to. Now in order to forward a message, long tap on a text. Now tap on the option of More at the bottom right. You can see the option of forward. If you tap on it, you'll only see your Messenger contacts to whom you can forward that specific message to. There's no option here that will allow you to forward a message from Messenger to WhatsApp. So what you could do is, you could simply take a screenshot of that specific conversation or simply long tap on a text and tap on the option of copy. Then what you can do is, you can open WhatsApp and then you can simply paste that message. So this is the only way through which you can forward a message from Messenger to WhatsApp, because there is no such option on Messenger yet that will allow you to directly forward a message from Messenger to your WhatsApp contacts. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.